the high cycle vibrator is fast, it's efficient, it has the same amount of power that we're using with the other vibrators, but it's cordless and usually less manpower, so it keeps schedule going forward in a more proficient way.
It's very nice to just have instantly all the power on it. You know, I'm not messing with any pull cords or string together extension cords or anything. It's just power's there when you hit the button.
It allows that operator to continue to work free of encumbrances, not worrying about tripping over cords or hoses.
Comparado con el de gasolina, este es menos pesado, se puede trabajar mejor porque al regresar a mi casa me siento más descansado.
Compared to having gas, the difference in power is negligible with the backpack, getting the same results.
You don't got to worry about finding cords, you don't got to worry about tripping over cords, and you only have to have one person on the deck who has a remote that doesn't have to go up and down to go turn it on and off. You can just do it all from one point.
Milwaukee products help us to work easier, faster, and more efficiently while keeping our production up. Milwaukee makes it very simple for us to pick a solution that's efficient and easy to use for anybody.